Hello everyone, welcome to Insurance Business TV as we take a look at insuring tech businesses in association with Hiscox. Now, tech businesses are rapidly expanding, of course, and Hiscox has been changing up its policies to keep pace. In this edition, we welcome Adam Atkins, the company's head of technology, to discuss that evolution. So Adam, you've been insuring tech businesses since 1994. How has your experience over the past 30 years shaped the design of this new wording? And indeed, what industry changes prompted the timing of this update?
A lot changes in 30 years, but at the same time, a lot stays the same. So the wording lift is all about, reinforcing what's already good about our service, bringing to the fore our specialist claims team, making sure everything that we already do really well is done even better. But then being forward thinking as well, looking at the new threats that come into the market. So things like AI, green technology, these are all things that are flooding UK tech. So we need to make sure our product is fit for purpose for that as well.
And of course, affirmative cover for AI is a headline feature of the new tech wording. So can you walk us through the thinking behind this and indeed why Hiscox believes now is the right time to offer explicit protection for AI related risks?
So in January, the UK government released an action plan for AI, citing that we're the third biggest AI contributor in the world behind the US and China, but citing also massive ambitions for us to compete with China and the US, get bigger, get better at it, so really double down on it. That's not the same for every area of the world, so the EU are taking a more cautious view, but with us doubling down, there's going to be loads of investment, there's going to be loads of interest in AI, it's going to flood the tech market, there's going to be every business using it, selling it, building it, advising on it. Those businesses need insurance to talk that language, and it gives them cover for something that is going to be big and it's going to be meaningful.
Yeah, clearly AI is the industry's hot topic, but you've introduced 4 new insuring clauses aimed at aligning more directly with the contractual demands of tech businesses in general. So what specific customer feedback or claims trends influence those decisions?
So we insure at Hiscox the very large as well as the very small. So for the small stuff, we don't necessarily get in front of our customers, but for the big stuff, we definitely do. And we're always listening to what our customers want. And we did a number of sessions at the back end of last year where we saw different language in technology insurance contracts, language talking about AI, language talking about cyber, language talking about network interruption. So we thought, hang on a minute, we don't just want to have insurance language in our insurance wordings. We want to talk the language of the stuff these guys need to be insured for. And that's where we lifted it.
Yeah, and green technology is another emerging focus as well, isn't it? So how significant is this sector to your tech portfolio? And what does affirmative cover for pollution-related losses mean in practical terms for customers operating in that space?
I guess sustainability in this country is definitely on the up. Solar panels, electric vehicles, and technology underpins all of this like it underpins everything else in our society. So we know that it's going to be big. We know that it is big, and we've got pedigree in this space. So we've been insuring consultants in the sustainability space since 2013. But as technology becomes more prominent, they need a technology specialist, green or sustainable solution. And in terms of your question on pollution, so technology is all about handling natural resources in the green space, controlling them, selling them, harvesting them, securely storing them. It's easy to see if technology is doing that, technology can, cause that stuff to leak out, to go into the world. And that's the importance of giving that cover in our wording.
So with the removal then of exclusions like pollution and Log4j vulnerabilities, and indeed the addition of flexible features like automatic cover for overseas support staff and acquisitions, is the aim here to simplify placement for brokers or to give clients more confidence in adapting to a rapidly changing risk landscape, or indeed is it both?
It's a bit of both. So when clients are already insured with us, we want it to be a seamless journey. Now, I live and breathe insurance every day, as many people do. However, businesses, we need to acknowledge that what is front and center for them is not the insurance purchase, and we need to make sure that insurance works for them, but it doesn't, hold them back. So our automatic cover for acquisitions, overseas support staff, it just means when things change for an insured during a policy period, our policy's already ready to sort those things out for them. They don't need to tell us about them, they don't need to worry about it, and it just allows things to continue seamlessly. The same way for brokers. It gives them comfort when they're placing business to know that those future eventualities are already taken care of at the point they place it.
Yeah, fantastic to have you with us, Adam. I'm sure there will be many viewers checking out Hiscox tech offering on the back of your words today. Huge thanks for your time, and thanks to you, of course, for watching. We'll see you next time right here on Insurance Business TV.